everyone, my name is Sanjana
And my name is Suhas.
and welcome to our channel
Masti and More.
Happy
The
Father's
Father's
Day
Day
to
to
all the fathers
fathers
in the world. Okay, so my father is soundly sleeping inside and we are going to wake him and give him a incy party. Let's go. Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Thank you.
So this is Papa's food. This is his favorite annam talim, and this is the sweet of flower.
What is that sweet of flower? What is that one?
No, flower of sweets.
What is that flower of sweet?
Kaju barfi and coconut laddu. This is Papa's first favorite sweet and mine also. And Vittu's also first favorite, but yeah.
Thank you.
Same sweet. Now coconut laddu. And then you hold in my hand.
Go.
Wow.
Oksada,
Mm-hmm.
kachudu.
Oh, happy Father's Day shirt. Very good. Well done.
Without my help, they only did.
Return gift. Ante. Return gift. Ante ki. Ah.
Well done. Excellent.
అది కాదు.
Mm.
Day to you. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to you.
Papa bit.
Brownie cake. Brownie cake.
Go. Ajit.
కళ్ళించుకో అసలు.
చాలా బాగుంది.
Wrong thing.
బాగుంది.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నిజంగానే బాగుంది. నువ్వు
Wow.
బ్యాక్ సైడ్ చూస్తున్నావు, బ్యాక్ సైడ్. అది కాదు, ఇదే బ్యాక్.
Mm.
డిఫరెన్స్.
Happy Father's Day by Bittu to Papa. Happy Father's Day. Papa, you are awesome and kind. You are balanced. You are loving, caring to love my life. To have a great father like you.
వావ్ బిట్టు సూపర్.
Thanks for reading. Happy Father's Day. Wow, see this?
వావ్ నైస్ బిట్టు.
మనం చూడాలి. ఇక్కడ.
Papa and me. Papa, I love you. I love you too. Next time. Very good. No, for me, this is my gift. I'm not going to give you. Come this side. Stay. Wow. It's awesome. Look at it.
Each.
నేను ఆ డ్రెస్ వేసుకోలేదు.
వెనక్కి చూడు. వెనక.
Oh. The older I get, the more I realize how many sacrifices you have made to make my life better. I can never thank you enough for everything you have done for me. You have given me your love, your care, your time. I am very grateful to have a father like you. Now I am feeling it's a Father's Day.
Ow.
You're my love, you're my life.
ఇక్కడ చూడు.
ఏంటి?
Picture.
Yeah. These are awesome. Both the gifts are awesome. Excellent. Thank you. Thanks for this gift.
Do you want to play restaurant?
Sure, why not? What is this?
Menu.
Okay, you prepared menu as well. Oh, so many items. Seriously, you prepared all this?
No. Sure. Mommy prepared this.
Okay.
This is a card.
What's next? You're gonna give me all of this, or
No,
Your
order.
order.
You need to choose.
Based on your
I need
order.
to choose something? Is it?
Choose
Okay.
all of it.
Okay, let me read it out first. Curd rice with pomegranate, egg, mango, chili fry, paneer curry, paneer biryani, soup, lassi, lemon soda, masala buttermilk, cake, plain rice, plain curd, cashew burfi, coconut laddu. Oh, I just got tired. Okay.
What do you want?
What should I start with?
You have to start sweating by eating.
Okay. First, what is that?
Of course, soup, right?
Soup is there? Yeah.
Soup is starters,
Okay,
sir.
soup. Followed by biryani. Oh, so many items. But I just ordered only two, right?
Even though you order two, this is Father's Day and this is so special. So we got you the whole menu.
Okay. Now I'm ready for the feast.
We are also ready to munch on all of this. Actually, it's yours.